Yesterday, I received another query from a medical officer who is working in Uttarakhand. His query was whether the court permission is required to take the samples from the accused or the victim in cases of sexual assault examination. And his another query was, do we need court order or permission in cases of POXO where the fetus dies during the delivery or it is a stillborn fetus? Then do we need court order to take the DNA samples? No, you don't need court orders to collect samples from the accused or victim in cases of POXO or other sexual assault cases. According to Section 52 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, a registered medical practitioner, on the request of any police officer, can collect samples, examine the accused with use of reasonable force without his consent. And according to Section 184 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, the sexual assault survivor can be examined after obtaining informed consent from her. And if the survivor is minor, the consent of guardian should be taken before examining or collecting any samples. And the report should be forwarded to investigating officer within a period of 7 days. And the investigating officer will forward it to the magistrate according to Section 193. And now the answer for the second question. You can collect the sample from the mother for DNA profiling without any court orders on the request of a police officer. But if he is not requesting, if he is not giving in writing, then you can collect yourself and you can inform the police that this is a medical legal case and you have to give in writing to take the samples. Okay. And if the fetus is dead, then you should send the fetus for the autopsy and the autopsy surgeon will take the samples, do the postmortem, give the cause of death, and he will take the samples and send it to the FSL. I hope I answered all your queries. And if you have any more doubts regarding the medical legal functioning of different things, you can DM me freely. Thank you for listening.